Ka Sarkar Jelah ka Sinangkong, kalaray ban sdang shwa na West Khasi Hills, ya ka jingjurip khappud, haka 04tarik mynta bnai, hashwa bakinlej bani kandu ya menteri rangba ka Jala Asam, mynta biswa sarma, haka 04tarik mynta bnai hi. Habakran bat kilat thai kubor, ucaman jo ketika bordar komiti, uba renikton ng do, ubadai ru menteri sarkar, ulong bahak te ka jingjurip, ondan lang ru, dabaru kinom ikmat jong katany, nalor kihe sarkar.
Since you all know that there was a committee in the district, in the area of differences, there was a committee constituted by the government, and one committee in West Khasi Hills I'm heading as the chairperson of the committee. So we have decided to inspect the area of differences within the district West Khasi Hills on 4th, day after tomorrow. Myself and then Honorable Minister Babrol, who is the co-chairperson, and we will try to take along some of the representatives, of course, along with the official from the district West Khasi Hills. We'll be going to inspect all those villages falls on those recognized 12 area of differences. So that is the information that I can give you as of now. Zizang, and then Hahim, Tarabari, and then Langpi. These areas falls under our jurisdiction, for which we will go to inspect. So, Chief Minister of Assam, where we will also be going, some of us, to go along with our Chief Minister, and we should have the report, brief report, short report, whatever we can do when we come from our inspection. We have one day on 5th where we can compile the report, whatever we can get from that inspection. You see, we are entitled only our area in West Khasi Hills. I am the chairman of that committee, and there are some others ministers who will be heading the committee. They will do their job also to inspect, or they may have a committee. That is depend on the wisdom of the committee, whether they will go for inspection or they will have the meeting among the members constitute that committee. But we have decided to go and inspect the site itself. That for sure we will be talking to people and want to understand also the people, the views and opinion of the people residing on those areas. And so that is one of the factors, one of the criteria. You see, we are talking about referendum. That also it's one of the criteria that we will try to consider that also. But that may not be the final decision to take on the people's referendum. But of course, it's one of the criteria to be considered. Everybody. We have included MLA Ramrai, who belongs from Congress, and then MDC also from Congress, and then MLA, Honorable MLA by Jikur Mathong from NPP. So, and then Max also from NPP, myself and Babro. So we are all the party from that area we are there. And even in the state also we have that opinion that at least everybody will be there, but I can't say exactly. That depends on the wisdom of our Chief Minister while constituting that state level committee. But in the district, yeah, almost everybody is included.